Got myself a regular black marker here, and I'm going to draw her face. So we're just going to start off by drawing a line down and comes up. Kind of looks like a smooth U shape or a V, kind of gets a little bit smaller at the bottom like that. All right. Next up, we're going to draw her hairline. So we're going to start over here and come across. It comes across and then up a bit like that. And then this line will come down. That'll be her other hairline. And we're good there. Now we're going to have to draw some headphones because she's got some pretty cool headphones I saw that she's selling with cat ears on them. So we're going to draw one headphone and two headphone. Later on, we're going to come in and do some little more detail with a fine point marker, but that'll just be in a little bit. So now we're going to draw the top of her head. So we just draw a line all the way across, nice and round, the top like that. Perfect. Now we draw some cat ears. We do two straight lines coming out, and then these ones kind of curve a little bit. Curve them down. Curve them down. Cool. All right, now we're going to do her eyes. You know what? I'm going to switch to my fine point marker right now because it'll be more fun. Let's continue on. I'm going to finish up her headphones by just drawing a little line here. A little line here. Gives it more of a headphone effect. And then we're going to draw in the ears like this. So we just do a little line on the border inside, just like the outside ones. And then we add some lines. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't really matter how many, just on an angle like this. Her headphones have, and they light up, I hear. Next up, we're going to draw her nose. We'll just draw a little nose like that. And now we're going to draw her smile. That's the top part of her lip, and then we draw another one for the bottom part of her lip. We draw a little tongue, and that's good for her mouth. Now we're going to draw her eyes. So we're going to draw two little lines like that, and that's just the beginning. Then we draw two big circles. One circle and two circles. There we go. There's some eyes. Now we need some pupils. So we'll draw a nice big kind of almost full circle. It just goes, pretend the circle goes down below the other circle. So that's going to be the color of her eyes. And then we'll draw another circle in here. And that's going to be the pupils. And we'll also draw a circle around here. And this circle is the glimmer in the eye. So we don't want to color that. We'll color everything but. So we're just going to do there. That's the pupils all colored in. And then this will be her eye color. Now we're going to draw some eyebrows. Just some cute, excited eyebrows. And we're going to draw like a little eyelashes kind of effect on the side here, because that's what she's got on her avatar, kind of some anime eyelashes. So basically they just point out and then you just color it all in. Cool. We can draw a little bit of a hairline here, and now we're going to move on to her body. All right, so we're doing easy chibi style. So we're going to draw a line coming from here and here. We're going to draw them straight down. So we'll go straight down, and then we draw a line in the middle for the legs, and we go stoop, boop, like that. That's her legs. We'll draw some little curves for feet. She's going to be wearing a onesie, so we're not going to put a pant leg section. Now we're going to put one of her arms up here, waving at us. And the other one we're going to put down here. Like that. All right, I'm going to switch back to my fine point marker and make a few little details. If you don't have a fine point marker, you can always use a black pen, or you can just keep using the same marker you have. I just do a little line in here for her hair, and we're going to draw on the cuffs of her onesie. One cuff, two cuff. And this onesie has like a white belly on it, so we'll do a nice big oval shape like that. Put a V-neck kind of spot on it, and then a line down with some buttons. Just like that. All right, now we just need to finish up her hair and she'll be all done. We'll move on to Mr. Paws in a moment. So we'll draw some hair here and a little bit of hair peeking out down here. A little bit of hair peeking out down here and pretend it goes up right through here. Just like that. There we go. There she is, InquisitorMaster. Next up, we're going to draw Mr. Paws. And here's how that goes. Let's start off with Mr. Paws' paws. And I'm going to use a fine marker because Mr. Paws is going to be smaller and off to the side a bit. So we're going to start off with paws. We're going to draw 2 straight legs in the front with a nice round paw at the bottom. So there's 1, another straight leg, and a round bottom. And that's 2. Put some little paw lines, 1, 2, 3. Mr. Paws is also wearing a onesie, and it's a shark onesie. So we're going to put, this is his paws coming out of the onesie. And now we're going to draw the sides of the onesie. So we're going to draw a line down and a line down. And then we're going to draw a line in and a line in. And then the line straight across. And that's the bottom. Now we just need to make his bottom paws poking out. So we just draw a little line with a curve and going back. Same on this side. A little line, a curve, and going back. There we go. We can draw the bottom of his paws. Just 2 little bumps like that. And now we're going to continue on and draw the head area. We're going to do his big shark top like this. So just a big line and do the same thing and connect it to the top with a point. Just like that. Perfect. Now we can do some little shark fins. Shark fins on the side. And we can do a little tail popping out. Like that. Perfect. All right, we're going to continue to draw some shark teeth. So we'll draw a little bit of a sad face kind of sort of thing going on here. And then we're going to draw all the way up and around and back down. Perfect. And now we need some shark teeth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shark teeth is good here. And then we need some shark teeth around like so. Perfect. Now we're going to draw his nose. Let's draw a little nose, a little cat nose there. And a little cat smile. And next up, we're going to draw, Mr. Paws has brown spots. So we're going to draw some brown spots that come down. And they kind of go around his like invisible snout, and then they go out. Down, around the invisible snout, and out. Like that. Now we'll draw 2 circles for eyes, and put some pupils in. And color them in, except for 1 little spot. Because that's the glimmer. That's how you make your eyes more lifelike, by leaving a little white spot on the pupil. And now we're going to draw the top of Mr. Paws' head and kind of draw in sort of a hint of some ears in there. And there's the side of his head. And that's it. I think I'm going to draw a little bit of red around here for the lips of the shark. And right around the bottom as well. Like that. There we go. That's how you draw Mr. Paws and InquisitorMaster. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click like, subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching, and keep drawing, have fun. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.